Hola y bienvenido. Welcome to la clase de español. Hoy means today. Hoy quiero, I want. Hoy quiero continuar con las profesiones y presentaciones. Quiero estudiar contigo grupos de palabras. Palabras are words, so un grupo de palabra is a group of words. And it's all about professions. So let's start with the first grupo, which is words that end with ista. Por ejemplo, artista, electricista, oficinista, office worker, futbolista, football player, dentista, dentist. Or you could have un periodista, which is a journalist, okay? Periodista, he writes periodicals, or she does. Taxista. Now, no importa si la persona es un señor, a mister, or una señora, a Mrs. It's always ista, doesn't change to isto. Otro grupo pequeño is words that end in ante. So, un cantante sings songs, chants, cantante. And un estudiante estudia español, por ejemplo. Un representante is a rep of some sort. Then there are words that end in ico. So you have un científico. Mi amiga Lindsay es científico o científica. Es química. She's a chemist. Es mecánica. She's a mechanic. Or es técnica. She's a technician. So I could change all of those to a male, and it would be un científico. Scott es un científico. Es técnico. Es mecánico. Okay, whatever it may be. Es químico. And then we have words that end in ero. Again, these change to era for a lady, por un señora. So you have un cocinero is a cook. And un camarero or un mesero is a waiter. You have un cartero is a postman who delivers the cards. Un cartero, oops. Un fontanero is a plumber. Bien, lots of those words. Un jardinero is a gardener, works in los jardines. Mi amigo Lee es jardinero. Or un granjero. This is somebody who works on the farms, agricultura. See? Un granjero. El señor que se llama David es granjero. See? El hombre que se llama David. Un enfermero. Mi amigo Simon es enfermero. Hola, Simon. Or un panadero is a baker. If you don't want to use the word periodista for a journalist, you could use the word reportero, maybe. Okay? So it's nice to learn these words en grupos. Lots of professions end with words with the letters do or to. So you have un actor or un diseñador. Or un pescador, which is a fisherman. Pescadora, a fisherwoman. Vendedor, a salesman who vends things like a vending machine does. So, un vendedor or una vendedora. Okay? Mis amigos Neil y Joan son vendedores en una manera. So, that's the first parte de la clase terminado. You've got esos grupos de vocabulario, and I can give you, if you look in the description, of the video, you'll find a place to look for muchos más. The second parte de esta clase, and it's quite short, so we're nearly finished, is presenting people. So you would say, for a man, you would say, this is, este es Neil. Este es Neil, es vendedor. So este es is this is, for un hombre, a man, ¿sí? Y esta es, when it's una señora, una mujer. So, esta es Joanne. Es enfermera. She's a nurse. Es enfermera. And that's how you can present people and what they do. So it's a lovely introduction. Why don't you try it in the comments? You can present to me a couple of tus amigos. If you want to make it formal, you would say, este es el señor Darby, es profesor. Este es el señor Martin, es administrador. And for ladies, esta es la señora Watson, es enfermera. O esta es la señora McQuillan, es jubilada. Now that's a different one. It's just the last word for today. Jubilada means retired. So that's when you're jubilant because you can relajar. Eres jubilado o jubilada. Esta es la señora McQuillan, es jubilada. And with that, I say to you, muchas gracias for watching. If you would like to have a look at these lessons on Pasos, página 6 y 7 will give you la idea. And then there's a great reading exercise on página 8. Mi recomendación is that you look at it and you try to copy it in a different place, so you carry la información en el cerebro. Very, very good ejercicio. Try that y nos vemos aquí muy pronto. Por favor, subscribe. Por favor, like the video. Y if you want to make a comment, I would love to hear your presentaciones de tus amigos. Hasta pronto, amigo, amiga. Adiós.